How to repost a post on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can repost a post on Instagram, and it's really easy. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So in Instagram, there is no direct way like in TikTok to repost a post. What you can do is you can simply find a post that you like, and after you find the post that you like to repost, all you need to do is just open the post up, tap on the share button, and then you will see an option to add a note. Now if you find the option to add the note, it's that simple. Just tap on add a note and you're good to go. But if you do not find the add a note option, what you can do is you can head down here and then you can simply add it to your story. This is also a way to repost a post on Instagram to your story. And yeah, that is basically it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.